Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Fenix 7 Pro. To begin, power on your device by holding the light button for about 1 second. You can navigate through menus using the dedicated up and down buttons and select options with the Start/Stop button. For quick access to controls, simply hold the light button for 2 seconds. Don't forget, the intuitive touchscreen allows for easy swiping and tapping through all features. Once powered on, tracking your activities is straightforward. Press the Start/Stop button to select your desired activity profile, like running or cycling. For outdoor activities, ensure you have a solid green GPS signal before you begin. You can customize your data screens to display up to 8 different metrics at once. When finished, press Start/Stop again and choose Save to record your workout. The Fenix 7 Pro offers comprehensive health monitoring. It continuously tracks your heart rate using its advanced optical sensor, providing valuable insights into your fitness. Each morning, you'll receive a detailed sleep score after the watch monitors your sleep stages. Additionally, the pulse ox sensor measures your blood oxygen saturation, and you can review your body battery energy levels throughout the entire day. Beyond fitness, your Fenix 7 Pro keeps you connected. Receive smart notifications for incoming calls, text messages, and app alerts directly on your wrist. You can also control music playback from your watch, making workouts more enjoyable. Personalize your device by downloading custom watch faces and new apps from the Connect IQ store, and even make quick, contactless payments with Garmin Pay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.